Welcome to Have Fun Let's Travel. I'm Jeremy. I'm here with some tips for you for when to visit, what to wear, and what to bring with you on your next visit to Silver Dollar City. Now these are a little tricky questions and a little hard to answer because things change from day to day. But I'll try my best to answer these for you. Generally, the busiest times at the park are during the weekends, so coming during the week could be better because the crowds are normally smaller. But depending on the time of the year and which festival, this could change daily. When it comes to what to wear, we always recommend people dressing in layers so you can add or remove a layer or two if needed. But during the summer months when it's really hot, be sure to wear loose-fitting, comfortable clothes, and no matter the season, always wear your most comfortable shoes. Now, if you plan on riding a water ride, you might also want to consider clothing that dries quickly or bring a changing of clothes. Throughout the park, you'll find lockers that you can rent to store your extra outfits in if needed, and near Mystic River Falls, you'll find a huge people dryer. This is really fun to watch. This thing reminds me of the blowers at the car washes, except they're for people. Now what happens if it rains during your visit? If your schedule is set and it looks like it may rain on the day that you plan on visiting, you might want to stop by the store before you get to the park to get everyone a rain poncho. They sell them on the park, but by buying them beforehand, it will save you several dollars each. These take up very little room, and if you don't need them during your visit, you'll have them in the future in case you do need them. Now, as far as what to bring with you, just keep it simple. The more you bring, the more you have to carry around with you all day long, unless you're in a locker, and things have a way of getting heavier and heavier as the days go on. And chances are, you'll buy more things that you'll have to carry around with you. The park does allow for backpacks and larger handbags, but be prepared to have them searched at the front gate before you can enter. I always have my shoulder bag that I carry my camera in, and it always gets searched. But that's okay. I understand safety. Be sure to check out the description for a printable tip sheet to bring with you to the park so you don't forget any of the tips and tricks that we're talking about. And if you're finding this video to be helpful, be sure to hit the like button before you go. It's a great way to let me know that you enjoyed it, and it helps me more than you'll ever know. In an earlier video in this series, I mentioned that you could get free drinks at the park all year long. That's what I'll share with you in the video shown here. Thanks for watching, and tell your friends.